Good morning, students of Standard 11th. Today we are going to discuss topic herbarium from chapter 1, The Living World. Herbarium. It is a record book in which preserved plants and its specimen are kept to study each part and associated data of it. Students, it's very important to know that herbarium actually is a record book in which preserved plants and its specimen are kept, and the purpose for keeping these preserved plants and specimens in this record book is to study each part and associated data of these plants. Initially, the plant or its part, like flower, is kept or sticked in a page. So, students, it's the first step to make a herbarium in which initially the plant or its part, that is flower, roots, stems even, is kept or is sticked in a page. So this concept will become more clear with the help of this diagram, which you can see here. In this picture or diagram, you can note that various plants are being taken and their parts. So this is a complete plant, even with the roots. Here there is a part of the plant, and here there is a flower, and here there is an inflorescence of the plant. So this plant and plant parts are being sticked. You can see here that they are being sticked on a page. This page also you can see. So this is the first step for making a herbarium. Thereafter, a heavy material should be kept at the page so that plant or plant part loses water. Student, it is the second most important step for making a herbarium, and that is a very heavy material should be kept, and this heavy material should be kept at the page. So that plant and plant part loses water. So students, for making herbarium, it is quite important that when we stick the plant and the plant part on the page, then the plant and the plant part which has been sticked on the page must lose water, and it will lose water only when a heavy material will be kept on it. Students, the loss of water from the plant part is very important. Loss of water help the plant and plant parts to remain uninfected with microbes. In the page. So students, once the plant and the plant part loses water, then due to the lesser quantity of water, that is the loss of water, the plant and plant parts can be preserved, that is, can remain uninfected with the microbes present in the page, and it can be preserved for quite long. Such collection of pages with preserved plant or plant parts is collected together to make a book, which is called as herbarium. So students, here you can notice that the collection of pages with the preserved plant or plant parts is being collected, and this collected pages of the preserved plant and plant parts makes a book, and this book is called as herbarium. Students, in this picture you can notice that it is actually a book which has huge number of pages. If you will notice here, it will be visible that there are huge number of pages, and on each and every page various plant parts is being preserved. Here also you can notice that in this page huge number of plant parts is being preserved, and in the same way each and every page of this book bears plants or plant parts which has been preserved. And this is what we call it as herbarium. So here this book will be called as herbarium. Now students, let's discuss a very important topic, that's a question: what are the advantages of herbarium? So this is the most important topic of your book, that what is the advantage of herbarium. So in this question's answer we will know herbarium helps in scientific studying of various features of plant and its parts, like inflorescence, types of venetion, etc. So students, herbarium plays a very important role in scientific studying, that is very detailed studying of various features of plant and its parts. Like inflorescence, types of venetion, so students, herbarium is important for knowing the details of the features present there in the plant and plant parts. Thank you, students.